Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammed Ali, online maths teacher. Today we will solve one question from Cambridge International AS and A level, Probability and Statistics 2, uh, question from question paper. This question is from Poisson distribution. Question number 1. On average, 1 in 75,000 adults has a certain genetic disorder. A. Use a suitable approximating distribution to find the probability that in a random sample of 10,000 people, at least one has the genetic disorder. So this is the first question. Number B, in a random sample of n people, where n is large, the probability that no one has the genetic disorder is more than 0.9. Find the largest possible value of n. We know that we have to rearrange the lambda. Okay, so now see how can we do this maths. Gave us this information in 75,000. One is genetically disorder. So from 1 by 75,000 is genetically disorder. So within 10,000 people, we have to find out how many genetical disorder. So it will be 10,000 divided by 75,000. If we cancel, we'll get here 2 by 15. So 2 by 15 will be our new lambda. So Poisson distribution, PO, 2 by 15. Okay, this is lambda. Now what we want to find out? We want to find here, use a suitable approximated distribution to find the probability that in a random sample of 10,000 people, at least one has the genetic disorder. So one and more than is genetically disorder. So we have to find probability of x greater than equals to 1. So how we get these things? So it will be 1 minus probability of x equals to 0. So we know that Poisson distribution formula, probability of x equals to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x, x factorial. This is the Poisson distribution formula. So 1 minus, okay, so e to the power minus lambda. What is lambda here? 2 by 15. So 2 by 15, lambda to the power x, that means 2 by 15 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial. So you will get 1 minus e to the power minus 2 by 15. After that, we will get 0.125. So this is the result for at least one has genetically disorder. Now we want to find out the B number answer. In a random sample of n people, now the people number is n people, where n is large, the probability that no one, that means x equals to 0 here, has the genetically disorder is more than 0.9. So no one has the genetic disorder, the probability of no one has the genetic disorder is more than 0.9. So again we have to find out, rearrange the lambda. Okay, so B number, again we have we'll write for 70,000 people, one genetically disorder. For one, it will be 1 by 75,000 disorder. So for n people, how many disorder? So n by 75,000. So this is our new lambda. So therefore lambda equals to n by 75,000. So no one has the genetic disorder. So probability of x equals to 0 is greater than 0.9. So we know that Poisson distribution formula, probability of x equals to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x, x factorial. So we have to write here e to the power minus n by 75,000 So n by 75,000 power 0, 0 factorial greater than 0.9. So we know that if any number power is 0, it will be 1. 0 factorial also 1. So we get here e to the power minus n by 75,000 greater than 0.9. After that, we will use ln in both sides. So ln e to the power minus n by 75,000 greater than ln 0.9. We know that ln and exponential is reciprocal. That means it will be cancelled. So we'll get here minus n by 75,000 greater than ln 0.9. So it will be minus n greater than, if we multiply by 70,000, we will get here ln 0.9 multiply 75,000. So it will be minus n greater than minus 7,902. We know that if we multiply by minus, the inequality sign will be changed. So n less than 7,902. So the largest value of n is 7,902. So I think everybody understand this maths. We just use the Poisson distribution formula, and you have to remember you have to rearrange the lambda with respect to any other condition. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.